Welcome to the Medical Device Sales Professional Survey course. What is medical device sales? Maybe someone has suggested this as a career for you. Or, you know someone in medical device sales and you are interested in learning more about the profession. Let's start by defining, what is a medical device? A medical device is exactly as the name suggests, a device that is used for medical purposes. This could be as simple as a tongue depressor or more complex, like a pacemaker. As science and medicine have advanced over time, regulatory authorities have created a classification system that is used to assess the risk a device poses to a patient if used incorrectly. Although similar, each country has their own system for classifying risk. In the United States, devices are classed in 3 groups. Class 1 being lowest risk, and examples include bandages, toothbrushes, or wheelchairs. Medium risk, Class 2 examples include needles, catheters, or orthopedic plates and screws. The highest risk is Class 3. Examples include defibrillators, pacemakers, or total joints. Why is this important? And what does it have to do with medical device sales reps? Healthcare providers have a large range of devices and tools available. It would be impossible for them to know how to properly use every single device at their disposal. This is where the medical device sales rep comes into play. The medical device rep is considered the expert on their product and can help guide the doctor through proper use. There are many experts inside the operating room. The surgeon is the expert on the anatomy, medicine, and procedures. The scrub tech is the expert on the names and setup of general instrumentation. And the anesthesiologist is the expert on administering sedation. Everyone has their role in the health and safety of the patient, even the surgical sales rep. As the expert on the medical device product, you'll assist not only the surgeon with its proper implantation, but also problem-solve potential challenges. As you get to know your surgeon customers, you will become an asset to the OR staff, who will often rely on you for some of the surgeon preferences, instrument setup, and assistance with the next steps in a procedure to create efficiency. Now that we have defined what a medical device is and why the role of a medical device rep is important, you may be wanting to know more about a day in the life of a medical device rep. When considering entering the medical device sales industry, it's worth noting that it may be a lifestyle change from what you are accustomed. There are many different types of days, which is one of the great things about medical device sales. You could be performing sales calls one day and in surgery all day the next. Some days it might be both. You will spend a good portion of your day in real, live surgeries. On surgery days, you may spend the day coordinating your implant sets, ensuring everything is prepped for each surgery, and providing guidance and expertise for each implant system during each surgery. This also means you will be paying close attention to each step the surgeon takes in the procedure. So if blood and hospitals are not for you, now may be the time to exit this video. You will spend time servicing your surgical instrument and implant sets, meaning dropping them off at Central Sterile to prep for a surgery or restocking implants. These tasks may not sound glamorous, but they are valuable to learning, and most importantly, everyone had to do it at the start of their career. On days that are dedicated to sales calls, you typically will try to set as many appointments with physicians as possible to show your product. There are different techniques to getting in to see the doctors. With their time being so valuable, this is one of the more challenging parts of the job. Another aspect of the job is you may be doing some unique tasks in the evening or on weekends. Since most surgeons practice during the day, training labs and educational dinners are reserved for off hours. Medical device sales can be an incredibly rewarding career in several ways. The surgeon relies on you as an important member of their care team. It is satisfying to know that you can play a small part in helping patients through surgery and returning to normal activity, ultimately resulting in good quality of life. As mentioned before, the surgeon relies on you to be the expert on your product. Aiding your surgeon through the surgery and helping solve problems in the OR can be a big confidence boost and improve your on-the-job skills. Medical device sales is a unique career and not a typical day job. Your days will vary and you will be on the go a lot. Another benefit is you are sometimes afforded the opportunity to participate in the launching of new technology or new treatments, there is something to be said for being in the room when a new device is successfully utilized. You will have responsibility for managing your business, whether it is a specific set of hospital accounts or a regional territory. You will have ownership to drive your success. And finally, there is a feeling of gratification from making a commission on each sale you make. Being successful in medical device sales can be a lucrative and fulfilling career, but what makes a good rep? There are several qualities and soft skills that make a successful rep. First and foremost, you'll need to have a good work ethic. You will need confidence and be willing to put yourself in situations that are sometimes uncomfortable to get the job done. You will quickly learn that persistence pays off when you work hard. Secondly, you'll need to be a team player. An outgoing personality will come in handy daily as you will need to work with different types of individuals. Making friends will go a long way. Reliability will be important to those around you, especially under stressful situations. The sale is first, but a strong willingness to be of service will help you keep your customer. Next, you will need to be adaptable. There will be times where you are called to perform under pressure, which can be one of the more gratifying parts of the job. You will also need to be a good problem solver and think quickly in unique situations. Like most careers, you'll need to be an effective communicator. And with the variability of your daily tasks, you'll need to be good at managing your time. You may have surgery cases on one side of town in the morning, sales calls across town in the early afternoon, and then need to replenish implants in another location. As you grow in your career, your success will be modeled. Peers and colleagues will depend on your strong leadership skills. It is important to commit yourself to continual improvement and learning. Higher education can be beneficial, but it is not necessarily a requirement. Having a basic understanding of biology or anatomy can certainly give you a leg up. OREdmasters takes a modern approach by delivering relevant training to those that wish to join the profession. Members will gain knowledge essential to a successful career in the industry. With continuously updated materials and course content produced by surgeons and industry professionals, we provide the most applicable curriculum for our participants. Our on-demand, interactive, online courses are focused on orthopedic anatomy and clinical education, allowing you to learn at your own pace to close the anatomic and clinical knowledge gap. With an orthopedic sales training course like OREdmasters, you have access to a comprehensive curriculum developed by surgeons and other leading industry professionals. You have now completed the Medical Device Sales Survey course. To learn more and accelerate your career, visit OREdmasters.com to start your all-access subscription.